Sanajaoba Leishemba. Sri Maharaja Sanajaoba, please speak.
Sir, thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman and Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and the leaders of my party, BJP, for giving me this opportunity. And I rise to speak in support of the bill, sir. Sir, the Energy Conservation Amendment Bill 2022, which was introduced in Lok Sabha on 3rd August 22 and passed in the same House on 8th August 22, is to amend the Energy Conservation Act 2001 and to empower the central government to specify a carbon credit trading scheme. The bill also aims to reduce carbon emissions and to address the climate change and find out non-fossil energy sources to meet the requirements. Sir, the bill also seeks to provide regulatory frameworks for number 1, carbon trading in India, number 2, encouragement of penetration of renewable in energy mix, number 3, effective implementation and the enforcement of Energy Conservation Act, sir. Sir, energy conservation means reduce the consumption of energy or limited the use. It means use of fewer energy service or use devices which require less energy, thus promoting conservation of energy. Air pollution due to burning of fossil fuel causes several harmful diseases in humans and animals. Using less energy or conserving energy reduces living expenses and protects the environment from excess use and carbon dioxide emissions. Sir, India has already announced at COP26 Conference of Parties at Glasgow 2021 the following main points. Point number 1, 500 gigawatts of electricity from non-fossil fuels by 2030. Point number 2, reduction of carbon emission by additional 1 billion tons and reducing carbon intensity economy less than 45%. Number 3, net zero emission by 2070. Sir, this clearly shows India's sincere determination to work for low carbon emission in combating the climate change and also endeavoring to achieve sustainable development goals, sir. Sir, India's sincere effort of NDC, nationally determined contribution, has made changes in climate action much before 2030. Sir, India is the only G20 nation to be in line with 2 degrees centigrade warming because of its climate action. The per capita energy consumption of India is 1/3 of the world average, whereas carbon emission is 1.9.